Hi everybody, it's David here once again from Deals with David. Today I want to talk to you about a really cool musical instrument, the steel tongue drum from Legato. Let's get it under the product cam and take a look. Alright, opening up the box, comes well packaged, and right away you see on the inside there's an instruction booklet and of course a song booklet. Happy Birthday of course is in there, as well as many others that you can learn to play. A really strong, well-designed, sturdy carrying case for the musical instrument. And here is the tongue drum. This has 11 different tones or notes on it. And you see all the numbers here? That's part of how you learn to play. It's got a nice rubber stopper on the bottom so it's not scratching or sliding around. You've got some extra accessories for adding to your hammers. And some extra numbers to put on here when the current ones maybe fade away. And a stand for your two hammers. Now, I'm not going to promise anything here, but this certainly has its own unique sound. All right, I haven't practiced much, but you could learn how to play this. Maybe an existing musician in your family or somebody you know would love to add this to their musical collection. Young children would really have a lot of fun just creating their own sounds of music. This is the steel tongue drum from Legato. Thanks once again for watching, everybody, and as always, happy shopping.